Our Kevin Schwaller checked in at the Austin airport, and he asked crews there to show us how they're preparing.
If you fly in or out of Austin in nasty winter weather,
when you set your boom down,
you can thank Emilio Ortega and his co-workers for clearing the runways.
being that I was raised real close to an airport, it just did something for me.
Ortega is bracing for the possibility of winter weather at ABIA.
This particular machine is towed behind a pickup truck.
Before Ortega goes out, Scott Madole and others are watching the conditions.
And what it does is it's generating a graph of what the runway looks like when it comes to its friction.
Making sure it's not too slick to land.
What I have in my hand here is a gun that we actually shoot the temperature of the runway surfaces. We start seeing the temperature go down in a 36, 34, somewhere in there. We start looking for doing some de-icing.
Cue Ortega.
Not only could we see some weather here in Austin that may impact flights, but most notably Houston, which is really close, could experience some cancellations. They're already looking into possibly canceling some flights.
That'll be 6 o'clock in the morning. We have to get a early start, which is around 4 o'clock in the morning.
Only morning will tell what the weather means for departures from ABIA, from homes onto Austin roads.
And that was Kevin Schwaller reporting. When the weather gets too bad, the airport shuts down one of its runways, and that way the crews can focus more closely on just one runway. As far as the roads here, TxDOT has crews on standby. The first step was pre-treating some areas earlier.